welcome to the online classes of Mount Brescia School. As you know, I am teaching you science. In the previous video, I have completed chapter 4. I hope you all have learned and understood the chapter 4. So today I am going to discuss with a new chapter from biology, that is chapter 1. Where does our food come from? Okay. So in this chapter, the topics which we will discuss, that is parts of plants that are eaten as food. Which are the parts of the plant which we are taking as food? Food from animals we will discuss, means which are the foods which we are getting from animals, and food habitats of animals. Okay, so these are the topics we will discuss in this chapter. So that all living things require food for survival. We all living things can't able to survive without food. Okay, because so from where do we get the food? Plants are making their own food. Animals are getting food from the surrounding. And we human beings also, we are getting food from the plants and the animals, that is from our surrounding. So why this food is very essential for us? Why it is very necessary to take food? Because food gives us energy to do work. Now I am standing before you and I am able to speak something. I am able to give you the lectures of chapter 1 due to the energy I am getting from the food. If for 1 or 2 days I have not taken the meal, then I don't have that energy to speak something in front of you. Because food is giving us the energy. We are able to walk on the road, we are able to read, write or do some work. That is due to the energy which we are getting from food. Food also helps us to grow. A baby grows to an adult. It is also due to the food. To get a healthy growth, the baby should be provided the sufficient quantity of the food. Okay. So it helps the body to repair the injured and the worn out parts also. Whenever we are suffering from any accident, or a people suffering from any accident, or they get injury in their body parts, to worn out from that or to recover from that injury, every people's need the sufficient amount of food, the sufficient nutrient to recover from the injury. It helps the body to remain healthy. Every day we are taking the sufficient quantity of diet in our food, so that diet makes us healthy. Okay. So the variety of foods which we are taking in our daily diet, the different type of food items contain different nutrients, contain the nutrients in the form of carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. These are the nutrients present in the food. So what are nutrients? The chemical substances which is present in the food and which is required for all living things for the survival and the growth is called as nutrients. So there are 5 kinds of nutrients, that is carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. So the food items which we are daily taking, it contains the nutrients that give us energy, that give us the energy to do work, that make us healthy, that help us to grow. Okay, so today I have taught you up to this much. In the next video I will continue with the chapter. Till then you read this. Okay, thank you.